Go.
Got the Okamoto 1224DX surface grinder. I'm going to show you how to use 3 different modes of grinding. First is crisscross, second is step, and the third is plunge grinding. First, what we do is we start off the hydraulic pump and just follow along here with the controls the best you can. We'll set the grinding wheel on. I'm going to manually move the table over the part. So that we can zero out the top of the part and then set a depth for surface grinding. Set the movement to rapid feed down. And once we get close, then we can manually move it by 10 hundred thousandths, by 100 thousandths, and a single thousandth. We just want to kiss the surface. There we go, right there. Now I'm going to reset this at 0, so 0 is the top of the part. Now I'm going to rapid feed it back up. Feed the table to its starting position. And then I'm going to move the grinder down manually. With rapid feed, so that we know that 0 is the top of the part. And then I can set, right now it's 373 thousandths below the part. I want to set it at let's go 1/10,000th or 1,000th. So the total surface grinding will go down 1,000. Or 1/100th actually. The rapid feed back up so that we're above our part, and then I can start the table. Right now it's set for traverse, which first method we're going to use is crisscross. We'll use the saddle movement lever here, the saddle speed control. We'll move it to a fully forward position, which when you disengage the wheel, it's moving automatically. It's constant speed. And then to set the back and forth, we can control that speed as well. And then what we'll do is we'll start setting, it's set for 1/10,000th. Now we can come down, rapid feed down again, and we know that 0 is the top of the part. Grind. When we turn our lever to auto sizing, as soon as we get it down to close to where we want it to go. This is called crisscross by feeding, where the saddle is constant move and the table moves back and forth. Now if you notice, our table's moving 1,000th at a time. So we're grinding 1,000th at a time. You can use your table dogs to set the width of your travel, and then there's also 2 travel dogs on this side to control how much your saddle moves back and forth as well. Step grinding is the related traverse type of grinding. In order to move that into that mode, you take your saddle position lever, move it to neutral, and then to the far right, which is a step. Now if you notice, it's only moving 1 step at a time and then going left and right on each step. You can control how much that moves or the distance of your step with this, which is your step control. And you notice we only have 562 thousandths left. And with each cycle, it moves down whatever amount you have set on your down feed amount. The last method of grinding that we're going to show is plunge grinding, where the table will move left and right, and you can set it for both sides, it comes down, or one side, you come down. So we'll do both sides at the same time, where on each side it will come down a certain amount. I'm going to shorten up the stroke down to 500 thousandths. And also in plunge grinding, you have to clamp the saddle down, because the saddle is not going to move forward or backwards. So we're going to start. We're already at the top of our surface grind, so it should be ready to go. We're going to set our table in motion. And as you see, each distance it moves on each side. And then the table will stop when the part reaches 0. I'm going to set it for another cycle so you can see the 1 step. Set it at 800 thousandths. Now I'm going to set a selector switch for only the right side, comes down on the right side on each cycle. Now remember we set it for 800 thousandths, so I'm going to run the table lower to get close to that point. Then we set the selector switch to auto sizing and start the table. And as you notice, it's only coming down when it's on the right hand side. Each stroke is going to have a grind. When it reaches 0, the table will stop.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.